The Rugby Game by a Disgruntled Worker, a satire, part 10. It is the employers who takes the lead. According to Primal, you're just not cutting it. Your performance is subpar, and you're not meeting the required standards. On the rugby field, he'll make sure everyone knows that your speed is a constant issue. At work, he will tell everyone you're not complying with the rules and procedures, and that you're a negative and disruptive force to your colleagues. He doesn't care if you're new to the job or the team. To him, you are just a liability. But fear not, there's hope yet. Enter James Good Performance, the golden boy of the office and the rugby field. He is always on point, never misses a day of work, and is practically married to his overtime duties. Good is his middle name, but performance is his last. He and Primal are a match made in heaven, and when they clash, it's an explosion waiting to happen. Primal claims he needs output to survive, while good performance needs to protect himself from danger. What danger, you might ask? The danger of being exposed as a fraud, of course. But fear not, dear reader. With Primal and good performance around, there's never a dull moment in the office or on the rugby field. Just make sure you're on the right side of the performance spectrum, or you might find yourself in the crosshairs of Primal's critical eye.